In this part, we'll see how to do the concatenation in Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel providing the function of concatenation. Concatenation means what? Say sometimes we need this full name instead of this first name and last name. So how to concatenate, how to add these two different names into the single cell. How to combine two cells content into the single cell. So for this we need to use the formula equals to concatenation C. When you are typing the concatenation C, here you will get the formula. Just double click on it. This is concatenate function. Then select the text one. Text one is this. Then do the comma. See here in the syntax, comma is here. So do the text 2. Complete this bracket and hit the enter button, so you will get this concatenated text. But see, we need to separate this by using space. So how to separate it? Just double click on it. See here again you will get this formula. So see, this is first E5 and then F5 is here. So I want space between the E5 and F5. So just click after this comma, give the double quote, then blank space and complete this double quote and give the comma. So give the one blank space in between as a text. So this will concatenate this E5, this space and then F5. So just press the enter button. See here is your text and you can drag and you can check for the others. So automatically you will get this first name and last name in this full name column. Also you will get this space. Okay, so you can easily read this text. Okay, so in this way you can use the concatenate function. Just click here. What is the function? Concatenate function. Here is your first parameter, then specify the this blank space and then your second parameter.